My name is Sarah Kirikoni, Live Free Warrior. This class is perfect to energize and awaken for your day ahead. Your little dose of espresso. You don't need anything, but if you have a mat, great. We're gonna get started right away. So find the front of your mat, ground down through your feet here, and then lengthen up tall through your spine. Feel the crown of your head reaching up towards the ceiling, and just breathe here for a moment. Feel your toes ground down, your heels ground down. Let your shoulders be relaxed, shoulder blades down away from the upper back. Take a deep breath in. And a full exhale. On your inhale, reach the arms all the way up overhead, and you're extending through the fingertips. Reach, reach, reach all the way up. This might even become a little bit of a back bend. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Good, and then exhale, connect the palms, hands to heart center. Maybe close your eyes here in a moment, setting an intention for your practice, but more so for your day ahead. So how it is you want to feel throughout your day, or if you have a grounding word to connect with. Mine is freedom, but anything that connects or resonates for you, set that here prior to your practice, prior to your day. Then you slowly open up your eyes. You're going to interlace the hands, put a little sword mudra, and inhale, reach the arms up overhead. So engaging the core, lift up and over towards the right side. Take a deep breath into your left lungs, and exhale. Let your inhale awaken the left side of your body, like light shining in through the morning window. Inhale, come back up and switch sides. So lift up and over to the left now. A deep breath into your right lungs. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, forward fold all the way. Take a soft bend in the knees here. Relax the head, the neck. Let the fingertips connect down towards the earth. You're going to interlace the hands at the small of your back and either keep a bend in the elbows or extend the arms. Should feel good in the front of your chest, especially if you're a side sleeper like me. Take a deep breath in and exhale. One more inhale. And exhaling. Release the bind of your hands. Inhale to a long spine. And exhale, forward fold. With bent knees, inhale, roll your way all the way up. Let your spine stack, arms reach up overhead. And exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale to a long spine. Come into a low lunge, step your left foot back, the left knee lowers down towards the floor, the mat. Inhale, arms reach up overhead, and then cactus your arms 3 times. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale, reach the arms back up. 2 more, exhale. Inhale, reach back up. And exhale, 3. Inhale, arms up. And lower the hands down towards the floor. Find a downward facing dog. Bent knees in this first downward facing dog. Inhale, shift forward to a plank. And in this first one, let your knees come down, come into a low push-up. With bent elbows, come into a cobra. So you have your thighs down and the elbows are bent in a cobra. And then wiggle side to side. So drop your right hip, look over to the left. Good, and then switch sides. Drop your left hip, look over to the right. One more each side. To the left. Find your tail, and then over to the right. Good, come back to center. Find downward dog. Tuck the toes under, lift your hips up and back. And then step your left foot between the hands. Same thing, just on the other side. Let your right knee come down. Inhale, arms up overhead. And then cactus the arms 3 times. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Exhale, 2. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Inhale, arms up. One more. Exhale, 3. Inhale, arms up overhead. Hands come to the front of your mat. Step your right foot up to meet the left. Inhale to a long spine. And exhale, forward fold. Bending those knees gently. Inhale, rise all the way back up. And exhale through heart, center. And again, inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, forward fold. It's about connecting breath. Inhale, lengthen. Step your left foot back. This time stay in a runner's lunge. So we have the left knee lifted this time. Energize out through the crown of your head. Sweep the arms by your side, palms face down. Here we hold 3, 2, and we come into a high lunge. So bend that left knee a little bit, reach the arms up overhead. And in this one, grab your left wrist with your right hand. Inhale, lift up and over to the right. Breathe 2. And inhale, come back up. Good. Exhale, twisting. Your left hand will come inside the right foot. Reach the right arm to the side. Deep breath in. And exhale, twist. Inhale. And exhale. One more in. And exhale. Right hand lowers, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Inhale, shift forward plank. Now you can lower the knees down or keep them lifted. Come into a low push-up. 2, an upward dog. Inhale. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Full breath in. Full breath out. Step the left foot between your hands. Inhale to a long spine. Engage here. And then sweep the arms by your side, palms face down. Energize through the crown of your head. Holding 3, 2, and soft bend in your right knee. Rise up, high lunge, arms up overhead. Here, grab the right wrist with your left hand. Inhale, lengthen up, and then over to the left. Breathing 3, 2, and inhale, rise back up. Now as you go into that twist, your right hand lowers down towards the floor, the mat. Left arm to the side, inhale, and exhale, twist. You lower your left hand down towards the floor. Step your right foot up to meet the left. Inhale to a long spine. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way back up. And exhale, hands through heart center. Keep space between your feet, but bend your knees. Come into a chair variation. Inhale, arms reach up overhead. Keep extending the chest forward. So you're reaching up, crown of the head, chest open forward, palms face towards one another. Holding 2. And then 1. Exhale, sweep the arms down by your side. Rise all the way up. Inhale. There's that little back bend again. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to extend. Exhale, plant your hands. Step your left foot back. Inhale, arms rise overhead. High lunge. Bend your left elbow here. Grab it with your right hand. And you place your head between, like the elbow area there, a little pillow. Lean on back. Inhale. And exhale. One more in. And exhale. Lower your left heel down. Open on up, warrior 2, extending long through the fingertips. Reach the right hand forward, inhale. And exhale, reverse your warrior. Like in the beginning, breathe as deep as you can into those right lungs. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, rise back up. Hands lower to the mat. Come into 3-legged dog. So the right leg lifts up and back. As you bend your right knee, stack the right hip over the left. And then lower your right foot down towards the mat, downward facing dog. Inhale, shift forward to a plank. Next, I'll take it into a low push-up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Step the left foot between your hands. Inhale, rise, high lunge. Arms up overhead. Good, and this time bend your right elbow with your left hand. Lift on up through the chest. And lean on back into your right elbow crease, that little pillow. One more in. And exhale. Inhale, arms reach back up, opening warrior two. So the right heel lowers down, arms extend long. Inhale. And exhale. Left hand extends forward, reverse your warrior. Deep breaths into your left lungs this side. For two. Good, and rise back up on the inhale. Hands lower down towards the mat. Your left leg now lifts high, three-legged dog. Left leg lifts up and back, right heel drops down towards the mat. For two. And then lower your left foot down towards the mat. Take a deep breath in. Full exhale. Inhale, shift forward to a plank. You're gonna hold here for 5. You can always modify knees down towards the mat as well. But we've got 3, 2, and then 1. Shift forward again, lower all the way down towards the mat. And tuck the toes, walk the hands forward about 3 to 4 inches, press into the palms, and lift on up, cobra pose. Hold here, 3, 2, and 1, lower all the way back down. You can do that again. Press into the palms, inhale, lift on up. 3, 2, and 1, lower all the way back down. Good things in 3s. Inhale, lift on up. Shoulders down away from the ears. Chest bright and forward. 2, and 1. Lower all the way back down. So you walk the hands back, tuck the toes under, back on up, tabletop position. Find tabletop, shoulders over the wrist, hips over the knees. Extend your left arm out in front of you, your right leg out behind you. Hold here. 3. Press to the ball of your right foot, left fingertips forward, gaze is neutral down. 1 more inhale. Next, I'll connect left elbow to right knee. Inhale, open. Next, I'll draw it in. Inhale, open. Next, I'll tap 3. Inhale, open. 2 more, exhale. Inhale, open. Next, I'll draw it in. Inhale, open back up. Take your left hand down, right foot steps outside the right hand. Now we're twisting. So you might have to walk your back knee back a little bit, right hand inside the right knee. And then twist. So if you're backing up your car, look over your right shoulder. Twist then open. Shoulders move down away from the ears. 2. Good, and then lower your right hand back down towards the floor. Tuck the back toes under. You're gonna step your left foot outside the left hand. You can stay up higher in this one, or you can drop down a little bit lower, and then move a little side to side. This should feel pretty good in the inner hips. That weird yoga good. And let your hands come on down towards the mat. You can reverse that. Step your right foot back. Right knee lowers down. Take your left hand inside the left knee. Now as we twist on the other side, go over your left shoulder. Each exhale, maybe twist a little bit more. 2. Go ahead and lower your left hand down towards the floor. We find that tabletop position again. Shoulders over the wrist, hips over the knees. And in this one, your right arm extends out in front of you. Now it's your left leg out behind you. So we're just doing opposites. First, hold. Engage the core here. Feel that opening, that strengthening, lengthening. And then connect your right elbow towards your left knee. Inhale, open. 4 more, exhale. Inhale. And exhaling. 2 more, inhale. And exhale. Last one, open. And tap, elbow to knee. Inhale, open. And this time just find downward facing dog. Lift up and back. Downward facing dog. Step your right foot between the hands. You'll turn towards the long edge of your mat, or if you're on the floor, turn your toes in, your heels slightly out. Inhale and extend the spine. Next, I'll take your hands to your waist. Engage the legs here. Engage your core. Extend through the crown of your head. Hold 3 more. 2. Last one, inhale. And exhale. And your next inhale, rise all the way up to standing. Take a little back bend. Inhale, lift on up. And then turn your heels in, your toes out. One more energizing pose here. Take your hands inside the knees, just above where the knees are. Inhale and extend the spine. And exhale, twist. Drop your left shoulder, twist to the right. Inhale back to center, and then switch. Drop your right shoulder, twist to the left. 2 more each side. Inhale back to center. And exhale, twist to the right. Back to center, inhale. And twist to the left. 1 more in. Exhale. Last one, inhale. And exhale, twist to the left. Come on back to center. Reach the arms out long. Remember your intention you set in the beginning. Set it again here. To be free, to be grounded, to choose light. Whatever it was that you connected with, connect with it here. You're going to come across hard moments in your day. Remember, find your connection point. And then rise all the way up. Inhale. Step your way to the front of your mat. Hands to heart center. Let your feet be natural. Take a deep breath in. And a full exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. And 1 more in. And exhaling. Take your thumbs to your third eye. That's that space right between your eyebrows. Just thank yourself for this moment. You are worthy. You are enough. And love you. Empowered, energized, and ready to start your day. Again, my name is Sarah Cariconi. See you in another upcoming video. Have a great day ahead.